you're ready, join the Smell Mel family. And today I've got something else from Melissa and Doug. I love that brand. There's so much cute like little food sets and like doctor sets and ice cream. Like, it's so cute. So today I've got the fold and flip taco and tortilla set. It comes with 43 pieces. That's a lot. So this is super cute. You get a hard and a soft taco. This is what the back looks like. There's a skillet, and in here there's like actual cheese and like little cream. And then on this bottle, it looks like stuff actually comes out of it, which I think is really cute. Enough chitter chattering. Also, you could cut like the chicken and stuff. Enough chitter chattering. Let's get right into unboxing. All right, here it is. I'm so excited. I got some brand new scissors, if you couldn't tell, which I'm super happy about. Oh, that's easy. Y'all know me, I love some easy packaging. Ooh. Okay, there we go. Oh, this looks so cool. Ugh. Ooh, there's even hot sauce. Moving that. Here's the food, the little fake knife. It's the skillet. But look, you guys, this actually like comes off. This reminds me of Applebee's, because they got like the skillets and stuff. This is our hard shell for our taco. Next, this is all of our food. Chicken. This is the like cream that goes in there. The rice that can go inside the rice thing. This is like some toppings. This is our soft shell taco. You can see. And then you just go like that. That's a little taco. You go like this. And bam. It's so cute. And then we got shrimpies. I know my mom loves this because she loves shrimp. It's like her favorite food. We got some pepper, avocado, and onion. Interesting. I have a question for you guys. Let me know if you like onion down in the comments below. Just let me know. This is our salsa mild sauce. And when you go like this, it looks like it actually comes out. That's pretty neat. I think that's super cute. Next, some queso shredded cheese. And on the inside, when you open it, it's actually little shredded cheese pieces. That's so cute, isn't it? And it's like one of those Ziplocs. It's pretty sturdy too. This is our yellow rice, and if you open it, you can put the rice in there. Pretty neat. Beans. These are the beans. And then this is like the little bean container. It actually opens and you can put them in there too. It's kind of hard to open. So this is our hot sauce. It's all wooden, like nothing comes out. But I think it's still really cute. Hot sauce. Move that over there. Next are cream, Mexican style cream, rich smooth topping, and then this white stuff is supposed to be that. Yeah, if you were wondering. Next thing we got, oh boy. Ooh, toppings. We got some more pepper, onion, avocado, some tomatoes, I almost forgot what they were called, and shrimp. As you can see, they Velcro together like this. There's our little bell pepper piece. They're Velcro, and then with your little fake knife, you could cut it in half, which is really nice. That's pretty cool, actually. And then you can all put it in here so nothing gets loose or lost. By the way, this was in here too. I'm not gonna keep that though. Next is our menu. So it's hard taco. It looks like prepare and cook of your choice, protein, all that. It shows you how to make it, and then this is the menu of what you want on it. You can choose. Oh, so this stuff is lettuce. Okay, I probably should know that. Next, for the burrito, it shows you how to make it. And then right here, on the other side, it shows like the menu of what you want on it. And same with the fajita, shows you how to make it. And then your menu of what you can get on it. I think this is super cute overall, like already. I'm just falling in love with it. We got one more thing. It's our little spatula. So when you cook it on the skillet, you can like move it around. All right, enough. Let's kind of get this. I'm gonna move this to the side. We got shredded cheese, hot sauce, beans. Why do I say beans like that? It's weird. Whatever. We got a cream and everything. So we'll move this to the side. Let's look on our menu. We'll make a hard taco first. Okay, hard taco, here we go. Hold up, gotta fix it. That's one thing I don't like. It's kind of hard to move this like around it. So yeah, that's not one of my favorite things. But yeah, you can see hard taco right here. We'll do chicken, shrimp, tomato, and cheese with cream. Okay, let's hope I don't forget that. Okay, now we're gonna get our skillet. Okay, we've got our chicken right here. We can put it. It's pretty cute. And then put that on there. So when we move it, it doesn't burn us. And then you just, it's kind of hard to do that. Just gonna, there we go. I cut the chicken. That looks pretty strong actually. Now we need to get the shrimp. Go into here and grab the shrimp. Okay. Let's cut it in half. Okay. And just put the shrimp down and let it sizzle a little bit. Sizzling. And now we need tomatoes. Let's grab them. Move this. Cut our tomatoes up. Again. And now we need to get our cheese. I got the cheese. And we got the cream. I got that right here. And this. So now we gotta get our hard shell right here. We're gonna put our chicken in. Our shrimp. Okay. We're only gonna put one of these because it's a lot. You can see that. Tomatoes and some cream. Well, can't forget. I'm gonna put that down. I think this cheese is really cute because it's like actual cheese pieces. You put it in there, and then you eat it. No, I'm just kidding. Don't eat plain cheese. Don't eat it. Like, I'm not joking. Well, I can say this set is adorable. I can say right now. It's super cute. The packagings and stuff is pretty durable, although this is hard to open. That's one thing I don't really like. Overall, it's pretty cute. It's pretty stinking cute. I love the whole skillet idea and that you could actually like cut it with a little fake knife and you can make it. Man, this is adorable. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And as well, you got like your little packaging for the like produce stuff. Super cute. It's adorable. I love it. And I am gonna rate this a definite 10 out of 10. It's amazing, it's cute, fun to play with, and I think it would keep me entertained, like, for a long time, if that really ever happens. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you next one. Bye!